this one had slightly smaller eyes, it would look like me a little more. Too hot in this apartment and the tea itself. I'm gonna let that cool down. Right. This was made by my very good friend Clara. I had painted something and she wanted it. Instead of her paying me for the painting, I asked for one of her photographs, and here it is, kind of an introduction to the kitchen. Now I need to use bathroom. Right, now you can come. This is actually the first thing I bought for this flat, and I wanted to put my coats in there, but when I did, it looked so messy. So now I only put one coat in one of those things or on here when I come back and I just don't want to go to the bedroom. But yeah, I find it so silly because it's kind of useless, but it does work as a sculpture, I suppose. Oh well. That's significant here. Those two, they're so pretty. I worked with this hairstylist about 1.5 years ago. I went to his flat to get my hair done, and he has such amazing flats. You can actually see it in my vlog, and it inspired me so much. And he had all this art that he made himself, and I actually loved it so much. I've always wanted to have significant art in my flat, not something that I just buy online. So I asked if I could make one for him, and I gave him a color palette, an inspiration. Oh, this is a little or. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Whatever. Yeah, it's not gonna kill me. I'd rather leave it like that than mess with it and it falling down one night and me just crying because it got ruined. Whatever. Okay, let's continue. before I was even here. It was 2 years ago and it hasn't been properly resolved. So I wanted to put a decking in there, a wooden decking from IKEA. Would have been expensive, but I thought, you know, if I'm staying here for many years, which is what I thought initially, it's worth it, you know, to make it home, etc. But this situation has never been dealt with, so if I put something on top of it, it would have hidden like the water that's like accumulating here, and it could have been really bad.